Hey traders, how you doing? This is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks, and today's date is, what is today? Wednesday, July 26, 2023. The market's closed. I'm just sitting here in the evening, and I've got three charts that I want to talk about. The three charts are, I should have them already up, shouldn't I? There we go. Meta, Boeing, and Google. Let's talk about Meta, Boeing, and Google. The first thing I want to do is just mention a little something about the market overall. Right now, the SPY is still in a bullish uptrend, still a nice little bullish uptrend. And if we go back, let's get rid of this. You know what? Let's put a straight line on this. We can do something like that, all right? There we go. We'll just take it from this low and come over here and tag that candle over here. And if you look at this chart, even though we're trending up, we are still going to have these little pullbacks. That's consolidation, you know, pullback, little consolidation, pullback, consolidation there. In every bull trend, you're going to have that. So keep in mind that the market may pull back a little bit, and that may cause Meta, Boeing, Google, or any chart for that matter, to pull back a little bit as well. Okay, so let's take a look at those, and I'll start with Meta here. One thing, down below in the chat, there's a link in this video. If you look down below, if someone's never done that, there's a little thing there that says click see more. Those that have done it, you know what I'm talking about. There's a link, I forget exactly what it says, but it says double your money calculator or something like that. Well, if you click on that, it'll take you to this page. This is one of the Hit Run Candlestick pages. And if you come down, you get to this page, if you scroll down, you'll see this calculator. All it takes to double your money in a year in 12 months. This is already set to $5,000. It takes $23.81. That's based on 210 trading days. And there's your double. To change this, you put your starting balance. I'm just going to put a 1 in front of there and make that 15,000. I'm going to hit enter. You have to do $71.43 a day net to double your account to $30,000. Now, anybody that knows or has been following me and, you know, my accounts and trading and whatnot, I'm really big on doubling your account in 12 months. Again, that's based on 210 days. Click that link, go to this page, check it out, have some fun. Now, let's take a look at Meta, Boeing, and Google. Okay, so I've got Meta up here, and you can see that Meta is still trending. I mean, it's definitely trending, right? Look at that. You can clearly see it, but you can also clearly see that there's little pops the upside. There's pullbacks. You can see the little pullback. You know, something might even make you a little bit nervous. You know, here's probably a nervous netty candle right there. Look at this. Look at that pullback here. So right now I'm looking at Meta to get to 381.50, and that's about 23%. I just took halfway of today's candle. That's about 24% up there. That's a lot of money. So just think about that. Go to that calculator, check it out. Just think about what that can do. So that's what I'm looking for, target, but keep in mind, you know, price just doesn't go straight up. So we're very likely to have these little pushbacks. What I'm going to look for entry is a couple of my favorite setups, and that is an inside day or a 3/8 trap, something like that, below the highest high in 5 days. I do that an awful lot. I'm looking for that chart pattern to set up here, and it could be right in here. It could be a little lower. It could even be a little bit higher. We have to watch price. And anyway, Meta is looking pretty good. Let's look at Boeing here. Take a look at Boeing. Big old move on Boeing. Well, on Boeing, I'm looking for about a 22, we'll call it 22.5%. And I'm just taking right through here on this candle, okay? This may need to be adjusted a little bit when we see what tomorrow's candle is, or how the candle action is right in here. So once again, keep in mind that charts go up and down, up and down, up and down in zigzag formation. This is very important. So what we might be looking for is, something like this. It could take, Boeing could pop down before it gets up there. It may take many days, may take a few weeks, a month maybe, or 2 months. It just, we're going to have market cooperation. So the market's going to have to stay bullish as well to keep Boeing going. All right, really quick, let's take a peek at Google. Google, I'm looking for a 150.80 target. That's what I would look for, a trade target. And right after this, I want to look at the trend indicator for a second, because that's something else I'm going to be watching. So I just pulled this from the low of today. And where is it here? There it is. It's about 17.5% up here to 150.80. So I'll be watching this, looking for that entry. An entry for me would be, it's from this low. If this was going to be the low, which right now it's hard to say if it for sure is or not, then what I would like to see is a little consolidation and then bullishness. That's what I'll be looking for. Well, what we may see is actually a little bit of pullback. It could, move like this, and it could pull back before it starts moving up. It could just come right through here and break out and start too. It's the chart pattern I'll be looking for, and we will send alerts out to members on the alert app on that. Now, I want to look at the trend indicator, and there's a reason why I want to do that, because one of the things that I follow is the red-green. So take Google. Here's Google. And if we just took, say, this section, let's see, daily, just this section right here, let me draw this out right here. So if we took that section right there, that would be a trade. So what I'm going to look at is, as long as we stay green. Now, I know it turned red, but the T-line held us in a trend. So here we are, we're still trending, and that's still long. That's the kind of thing I'm going to look for over here. Now, when we do this, when we pull back, I might want to get out of Google just in case that's a sign that it's going to head south. Maybe the market's heading south. But as long as it picks back up, I can get back in it, just like that. All right. That right there is going to be the end of this video. I want to thank everybody for watching it. And please go check out that calculator. Link's right below. We'll see you guys later. Thank you.